Hello guys, today we see LeetCode daily problem 498 diagonal traverse. So let's start. Here you can see this is given an matrix. Here we can traverse from a corner. Here bottom left it is 7. Then we go to 5. Then we go to 3. Similarly, we go down like 6, then 8, then go to 9. So we traverse like this. Like here, what we do? Here we see the row is minus when you go from down to up, then it is row minus but column plus. So what we do here, we check if matrix dot length is equal to 0, or matrix of 0 dot length is equal to 0, then we return. Otherwise what we do, int m is equal to length, int n is equal to matrix of 0 dot length, int array is equal to, we create a new array, m cross n is equal to 0, int row is equal to 0, int column is equal to 0, and boolean of is equal to true. While row less than m and column less than n, then what we do, if row less than m and column less than n, then we check if the diagonal is going up or down. If the diagonal up or down, now what we do, we check if up, then what we do, then we use one while loop, while row greater than 0. Now what we do, here we check using while loop, while row greater than 0 and uh, column less than n minus 1, means the length minus 1, then what we do, then we update the array of I, update the array of I plus plus is equal to matrix of row column, row minus minus, and column plus plus. Array of, then again what we do, we check array, update the array plus plus is equal to matrix of row column, and if column is equal to n minus 1, then row plus plus, else column plus plus. Here it is completed. Now what we do, we write for else while column greater than 0, and then here it is the opposite of this, row less than m minus 1. Then what we do, array of I plus plus is equal to matrix of a row and column, and here we update the row, and here we increase the row and decrease the column, row plus plus, column minus minus. And here we also, after this while loop, what we do, we update the array. Here we also write array of I plus plus is equal to matrix of row and column, row, column, and here we check if row is equal to m minus 1, row is equal to m minus 1. Then what we do, we increase the column, else row plus plus. Now what we do, we check, what we do, we check if the op is now it is while loop, okay, if else completed. Now what we do here, after this for loop, we check op should not equal to off. If off is not equal to off, then what we do, we return array, simply return array. Let's run this, let's see. Okay, here it is semicolon missing. Rerun this. Okay, here we see if matrix cannot find the symbol. Okay, spelling mistake. Matrix, okay, this is not matrix, this is mat. Okay, mat. uh, Here we see, here we also update the same mat. Let rerun again. Ensure the name should be same, otherwise we get some no element found. Yeah, here also it should be matrix. Sorry, not matrix, that is, sorry, should be mat. Yeah, now it's running successful. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is submit successful. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.